Hi, my name is Steve Mellowloo, and I'd like to talk to you about LeTip of Dallas. This week, we're going to have an exciting program. We have a showboater and we have a speaker. Now, the showboater is going to be Dennis Copland. Dennis's specialty is health insurance and Medicare supplements. Now, when it comes to health insurance and Medicare supplements, you kind of need to know what you're doing, because if you check the wrong box, you don't get the right coverage. I know on a Medicare supplement application, there's about 7 different options for coverage. So it's important you pick the right plan. And Medicare drug cards are also important because there's about 100 different companies that issue drug cards. So again, knowing your deductible, knowing your coverage limits is going to be very important. So you need help from a person like Dennis to make the right choices. Our speaker this week is David Smith of Upstream Investment Partners. Now, David is the guy that you need to go to when you want to make that financial plan for the future. Do you want a vacation home? Do you want to put money away for college for children or grandchildren? Do you want to retire with a certain amount of money in the bank? David's your guy because he's going to help you set up a plan, and every month you can make contributions, and he's going to help you all through the process to be sure you make your contributions, you make changes when the market dictates, and that way you get to where you need to be. It's really not a do-it-yourself kind of project. This week, David's going to talk about how he helped one customer get started from point A and how he's gotten to point B by following that plan and making it an every month situation to where it's invested, it's watched over, but it's there, it's all safe. So let David Smith help you reach those financial goals. Our meeting starts at 11:30, so if you'd like to join us, send us a message, we'll get you a login. It's also a good time to meet some other business owners. Do you need an accountant? Do you need an air conditioning person? Do you need a computer expert so you don't get hacked and get a virus? Do you need personal insurance? Do you need business insurance? These are some of the businesses that are members of our group. So log in, join us, and have a good time. Thank you.